Hi everybody, this is John Susi. I'm with BIRKET Engineering, and at LDI this year we're highlighting a new product that we're launching. It's the Firelinx show control system for permanent installations and not portable shows. Firelinx traditionally has been handheld units that you can run your fireworks and your pyrotechnic shows wirelessly and remotely. And that's really great for a lot of cases, but for the situations where you know that you're going to have a permanently installed show and you want to run your pyro reliably, you can use the Firelinx system mounted in a box to keep it protected from the elements, and the user interface is all web-based, so you can control the show safely from a distance and have a nice, safe show at a permanent location. So you can visit us at firelinx.com to learn more, and we have lots of product information and a lot of instructional videos also.